Hi and welcome. In this quick tip, you'll learn how to create a custom passphrase dictionary and how to use it in both password policies and the password generator. To access the passphrase dictionaries, simply head over to Administration, and under Management, you can find the passphrase dictionaries here. Devolutions Hub includes 3 built-in passphrase dictionaries. You have the English, the French, and the German. As you can see, these can't be modified or deleted. To add your own, you can click on Add a new passphrase dictionary. Now from there, give it a name. So for the example, we'll add the Arabic dictionary. Then we can also add a description. Then we'll need to upload a TXT file that must contain at least 15 words of that language. The format is 1 word per line and must be no larger than 1 megabyte. When you have it, select the TXT file, then click on Open. Once uploaded, Hub automatically calculates the minimum passphrase length based on the dictionary size. Then when you're done, go ahead and click on Add. At any time, you can go and edit the dictionary. You can also download the TXT file that was used to create the dictionary, and you can also delete the dictionary completely. Although, note that if the dictionary is in use by a policy, you'll see a warning before deletion. If you confirm, the policy will fall back to English by default. Now, let's put the Arabic dictionary to use in a policy. So we'll go back to Administration, and from there, we'll click on Password Policies. From there, you can edit an existing policy, or you can create a new one. So we'll just simply add a new policy, then we'll give it a meaningful name. Then we can add a description if we need to. We can set the password expiration. Then under Mode, we'll select passphrase. Then we can select the passphrase length. We can also add a word separation. Then we can configure the capitalized first letter. We can also configure the append number. Then we can decide which dictionary we want to use. Let's select the Arabic one. Now that's been configured, we can always preview some suggestion. Then if it works for you, you can go ahead and click on Add. If you're not familiar with password policies, we recommend completing the Learning Path activity on password policies in Devolutions Hub. You'll find the link in the useful link resources below. And finally, let's see it in action when updating a password. So here we have a credential entry that's called password key. We'll go ahead and want to edit the entry. And in the password field, we'll click on More. And we can generate from policy and use the Arabic passphrase policy. You can click on it to generate a new password. Then you can reveal the password to see what it looks like and if you're satisfied with the suggestion. The generator will build a passphrase based on the words from that dictionary, respecting the policy rules. Now, when you're satisfied with the changes, you can simply click on Update to save the modification. And that's it. You now know how to create a custom passphrase dictionary, attach it to a password policy, and generate secure passphrase from it. If you'd like to know more, feel free to consult our documentation or knowledge base articles.